In today's video, I'll show you how to download and set up Vortex Mod Manager to easily install and manage mods for supported games. Check my video description for this Vortex download link. Once download done, double click on the exe file and select the yes option in install. Select the finish option. Now go to games. In search for a game, type the game name that you like to install mods. In my case, I have this game Skyrim Special Edition. Select the manage option. Once you do this, go to mods option and check my video description for this mod list site. Choose the game you like to install mod. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this for Skyrim Special Edition. Once you selected a game, choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this grass and landscape overhaul mod. Download the mod. Once download done, go back to mod manager and select install from file option and select the RAR file and select open option and installing. Once the installation done, as you can see it enabled. Click on the drop down, you can able to disable and uninstall. Once the mod is enabled, you can minimize this and launch the game. I show you guys before and after comparison. You can easily compare this mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.